SlopeCharts has a wide variety of tools for options traders, and you can get deep details about those in the SlopeCharts reference guide. But just to touch on a couple of basic ones here, under the options menu, there is first of all the ability to show volatility. We've got historical volatility data, and you can have all kinds of control over what's shown. Here's a very simple example, something that's been stored already, 30-day volatility, which, let's just look at the past, say, 5 years. We'll go back to data period of 5 years. And as with all panes, we can stretch to see this larger. So as you can tell here, the volatility of Apple went much, much higher back in April of 2020, and as of this recording is vastly lower. We also have IV rank, which instead of showing pure volatility shows what the IV is doing relative to its own price history itself. In other words, how volatile is volatility. And so we can show here some extremes that have been saved also, like so. So as we can see, on a slow moving basis, some very high IV rank periods were recorded in the spring of 2020 with COVID, back in late 2018, and so forth. So these are all relative to its own volatility history. We also have, besides these volatility data, the ability to show a price cone. And what that does is shows the present range of expected movement in price based upon the 30-day implied volatility. And you can also animate this cone. So in this instance, we just point at it. You've got some information here about it, but you can click animate this cone. And what it'll do is give you some parameters here for the speed and the number of days to go back. And you can see the price cone move over the course of time, changing color based upon its own the volatility itself of the instrument. So you can get a more dynamic view into what volatility has been doing over the course of time. To turn the price cone off, you simply just choose it again and choose hide. There's also a feature called option dots, and there is a separate video on this same page that describes that in detail.